So in today's video, we will see how to solve question on BEDMAS involving fractions. So let us take a problem. So 4 over 5 minus square brackets and then 7 over 10 minus 1 over 2 in brackets times x. So we will be solving for x, that is find the value of x in this equation. So let us use BEDMAS here. So before we start solving it, let us quickly see what is BEDMAS. So when we have a multi-operation problem involving various operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, we will use BEDMAS to solve it. That is, we will work in an order. So our order will be solving first brackets, then anything that has exponents or powers. Division and multiplication, they go in hand in hand. um, so we have division, we have multiplication. What I mean by that is that if we have a question both on division and multiplication, we will go in an order, whatever comes first. And same for addition and subtraction. They also go in hand. Okay. So let us try solving here. So according to BEDMAS, the first thing we need to do is solve brackets. So we'll write 4 over 5 as it is. I will first solve the inner brackets. That's the smaller brackets that I have. I see that inside the bracket, I have a question which is subtracting fractions, and I see that those are two unlike fractions. So in order to subtract fractions, I need to make their denominators equal. I see here that if I can make one denominator as the other denominator, and I can do that here. So I can write 2 as 10. And how do I do that? By multiplying it by 5. And if I do anything to the numerator, the same thing has to be done to the denominator. So I multiply 5 to the numerator as well. So what I get over here is 7 divided by 10 minus 5 over 10. So what I have done is I have made the denominators equal. So now what I can do is I can subtract the numerators. So I get 4 over 5 minus, and when I solve this inside the brackets, the answer is 2 over 10. Solving bracket means opening up the brackets. We don't need to have that bracket anymore. And now let us try and solve the other bracket that we have here now. Okay, that is 2 over 10 times x. Now I can see that in 2 over 10, I can simplify this fraction. So I can do it to short division and do it 2 ones are and 2 5s are 10. If you want to see in more detail how to do short division, I have a video on that as well, and the link to the video will be uh, in in the description below. So once we get this, okay, we have solved this bracket. So let us open up this bracket as well. Okay, get rid of this bracket. So what I will get here is 4 divided by 5 minus 1 over 5x equals to 2 over 5. Okay, so now what we have to do is, in order to solve this equation, I need to isolate x. That means anything that is nearby x, I need to get rid of it. So what we'll do is, first thing I need to get rid of this 4 over 5. So if I subtract 4 over 5, if I do it one side of the equation, I have to do on the other side as well. So if I do this, what I will get here is, now if I subtract, so I will get, so 4 over 5 gets, we can get rid of it. Okay, and what remains here is minus 1 over 5x equals 2 over 5 minus 4 over 5. Okay, now if we solve this further, what I need to do now is, if I want to isolate the x, I need to get rid of this negative 1 over 5. But before that, let us quickly solve the right hand side. So this will be negative 1 over 5x, and this will be equal to 2 minus 4. So the denominators are the same, so I can directly subtract the numerators, and 2 minus 4 would give me negative 2 over 5. Now both the um, sides of the equation, it is negative. In this case, what we can do is, we can make both the sides positive. Okay, we can do that, because anyways, if we bring it on the other side and divide it by a negative number, the answer is going to be positive. So we can do it here right away. Now I need to get rid of this phi. So in order to get rid of this phi, what I need to do is multiply phi in the numerator. And I need to do the same here on the other side of the equal to sign as well. So what I get over here is now I can get rid of this phi. Okay. And what I will have is x equal to 2 divided by phi times phi. And I can cancel this as well. And my answer will be x is equal to 2. So we have solved a question wherein we have fractions involving BEDMAS.